Hello everyone, this is Santosh. Welcome to my channel Code in Swift. In this video, I will show you how we can download any version of Xcode. Without delay, let's get into the video. To download any version of Xcode, just go to developer.apple.com/download/more. Now search here just Xcode, press enter. You will find all the versions of Xcode. Just select whatever the version you want to download. I already have downloaded 11.5, so I am choosing 11.5. If you want 11.6 or more, you can download any version you wish. Just I am selecting 11.5 because I already have downloaded, so I am just cancelling this. This is how we can download Xcode. That's it guys, thanks for watching.